Hello and welcome to Lasse's Food and Barbecue, and today we are going to make Quince Marmelade. And as you can see, we haven't got a lot of them, only a small bowl, but we think it's gonna be enough. First you have to wash the fruits, and after that we're going to peel them. And they are very hard and small, so that you have to be cautious not to take off too much. When you have peeled them, you cut them into quarters, and they're very hard, so be careful. And after that, you're going to take out the core, and this is a piece that I have made. It's very hard, but you have to be cautious to remove all the core because it's very hard, and you don't want that in your marmalade. And when you have taken out the core in all pieces, it's time to cut them into smaller pieces. Collect them in this bowl. Finally, I have chopped all of the small quince. Here's the chopped quince. Sugar with pectin, lemon juice and water. Recipe below. Time to move to the stove. I'm happy with the result, and I have 2.5 yards to show for it. And now Lasse will taste it.
Quince Marmelade. Let's try it. Try not to pucker my lips. It's really nice. It's similar to lemon marmalade, I would say. It's really good. Nice taste. Thank you, Helena.
Thank you, and thank you for watching.